Hey there, welcome to the Ingredient Channel. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, I know many of you are gearing up for a fantastic feast. Today, I've got a delightful pineapple dessert recipe that is not only healthy and juicy, but also a breeze to make, clocking in at under 10 minutes. Now, handling a pineapple might seem a bit daunting, especially without fancy tools and when you are aiming to minimize waste. But stick around because by the end of this video, you will feel confident and ready to tackle it like a pro. First things first, grab a big, fresh, ripe pineapple. Twist off the head. And then cut the top and base as straight as possible to get rid of those dark rings. Next, thinly slice off the skin. Be careful not to cut too deep and expose those dark eyes. As long as we can expose those dark eyes, we're good. We're aiming for efficiency without wasting too much of that delicious fruit. Once all the eyes are exposed, angle your knife at 45 degrees and carve them out on both sides. Think of it as giving the pineapple a little makeover. Now, I'm giving you a bird's eye view just in case you missed how to operate. Oh, and don't forget to diligently remove any leftover green skin. A clean pineapple is a tasty pineapple. After a thorough rinse for the pineapple, your knife, and the chopping board, it's time to get slicing. Cut the pineapple in half. And remove the tough center from both sides. There you go. Cut and aim for about half a centimeter thick slice. A sprinkle of salt on each slice. And let it sit for 1 hour. This will help avoid burning mouth and ensuring a more enjoyable eating experience. While the pineapple works its magic, let's prep a garnish. Rehydrate 1 tablespoon of dried goji berry in 2 tablespoons of boiling water. An hour later, it's showtime. Arrange a few of those beautifully translucent pineapple slices on a plate. Sprinkle some goji berries and finish with a drizzle of raw honey for that gorgeous shine. Trust me, your guests will be singing your praises after they taste this juicy sweet delight. I hope you had fun making this recipe. If you did, don't forget to show some love, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Wishing you a happy Thanksgiving filled with healthy eats and joyful cooking. See you in the next episode.